In this tutorial, we'll learn how to create a data set and upload a data table as a resource to it. We'll first start by logging in the top right corner. If you're already logged in, go ahead and click on your username. This brings up all of your data sets. Since there are none here, we'll click Create a New One. You then have a form to create a new data set. You can go ahead and enter our title, sample data set for CHHS. You can enter our description. We can enter any meaningful tags. Choose our department that we're from. You'll likely only be able to see the department you belong to. We'll leave it as private. We'll add our contact email for this data set, the program inside of our department that it's coming from, and when we add the homepage URL, we'll make sure that we put HTTPS. You can add temporal coverage. This one's 1 year. We'll add spatial geographic coverage. This is a statewide data set. Granularity is statewide. And our language, frequency, and all of these can be spelled out inside of the metadata template. I'm just filling in the required fields so we can see a sample upload. Note, required fields have the asterisk next to it. Go ahead and click Next to add data. So we've now created a container or folder, and we need to upload resources or data to it. We'll now upload our data. Remember, we want to use the CSV format to make the data API or machine readable. Excel formats for this base layer aren't accepted. So once we have our CSV uploaded, we can add a title for this specific data table or resource. We can add our description for this resource. And then we can choose the format. And for this base one, we'll always use CSV. If you don't choose a format, the system will try to guess, and usually gets it right when it's a CSV. We can add another one or finish. We'll do finish. So we can now see our container is this sample data set CHHS. We can see our description of that, and then we can see the resources that we've added. One of them being that aging sample CSV that we've added. If we click on that, we'll actually see a sample of that data table. So we've now uploaded one data table as a resource.